everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Unit 7, Yesterday and Today. We learned how to tell our friends what we did yesterday and what we are going to do today. If someone asks us, Where were you yesterday? 너는 어제 어디에 있었어? We can say, I was at the zoo, or I was at school. We also learned how to talk about the weather and how it was yesterday and how it is today. For example, it was rainy yesterday, or it's sunny today. We also learned the names of places like amusement park, hospital, restaurant, mall, circus, and so much more. Are you ready to start your homework? Let's go! On page 56, the directions say to write and match. We're going to use the words in the box to help us finish the sentences. We have weather, fun, warm, yesterday, zoo, you, how, and beach. In number 1, Jenny asks the boys, Where were you yesterday? The boys say, We were at the zoo. Great job. In number 2, Jenny asks them, 어땠어? We have a big hint. Remember, it's our first word in our sentence, so it needs to be a capital letter. 대문자를 사용해야 되니까 which word has a capital letter? Right here. How? How was it? 대답할 때는 it was로 시작해야 되니까 we will connect it to here. It was, It was weather, it was fun. It was fun. Great job. We have how, we have fun, yesterday. Okay, number 3. How about, the boys would ask Jenny, how about you? 그럼 Jenny would say, 나는, I was at the beach. Very good. In number 4, 날씨는 어땠어? How was the weather? It was sunny and warm. Great job. Check your answers and let's go to the next page. In part B, the directions say to match. We're going to match the pictures to where they are. At the zoo, at the beach, at the store. Number 1, where are they? At the store. Number 2, where are they? At the zoo. And last, at the beach. Great job. In part C, the directions say to look and write. Number 1, where were you yesterday? 어제에 대한 질문이니까 과거형을 사용할 거야. Where were you yesterday? I was at the beach. Number 2, where were you yesterday? 나는 I was where? At the zoo. And number 3, where were you yesterday? 나는 I was at the store. Great job. Check your spelling and let's keep going. On page 58, part A, the directions say to match. We're going to match the pictures to the type of weather. In number 1, 안개가 많은 것 같아. The weather is foggy. Number 2, Wow, that's a lot of sun. Sunny. Number 3, snowy. Number 4, chilly. Number 5, rainy. And number 6, stormy. Great job. In part B, we need to write. We'll use the words in the box to help us write our sentences. On the left side, we see on Sunday. On the right side, we see today. Today는 오늘이니까 Sunday는 과거형 yesterday. In number 1, we see that it was sunny yesterday. 어제 날씨는 햇빛이 많았어. It was sunny yesterday. What else do we see for the weather on Sunday? 눈 많다. It was snowy yesterday. What else? 또 뭐 있지? What's this? It was breezy yesterday. 바람이 조금 불고 있었어. Great job. Now let's talk about today's weather. 과거형을 사용하지 않고 we're only going to use present tense. Number 4. It's rainy today. 오늘 날씨는 비가 많이 오고 있어. What else? 구름 좀 봐. Wow. It's cloudy today. And last, do you see this lightning? Wow. It's stormy today. Great job. Check your spelling and let's keep going. On page 59 in part C, it says to write. Number 1 asks, how was the weather on Monday? today라고 안 하니까 we're going to use 과거형, the past tense. Number 1, how was the weather on Monday? Monday is right here. It was snowy. For part C, we're going to use the past tense, 과거형, and the present tense, 현재형. For the past tense, we use was. For the present tense, we use is. In number 1, the question says, how was the weather on Monday? today라고 하지 않아서 we're going to use past tense, was. It was snowy. What about today? It is 또는 짧게 말하면 it's cloudy. Great. Number 2, how was the weather on Wednesday? There's a lot of things coming down. It was rainy. Great. What about today? It is 또는 짧게 말하면 it's sunny. Great job. For number 4, we need to ask the question. How was the weather on Tuesday? How was the weather on Tuesday? Please write. Don't forget, the days need to be capital. Tuesday needs to have a capital T. How was the weather on Tuesday? It was breezy. How's the weather today? 오늘 날씨는 어때? It is or it's foggy. 안개가 많아. Number 4. How was the weather on Friday? It was stormy. Great. And how's the weather today? It's sunny. Great job. Let's go to part D. In part D, the directions say to look and write. How was the weather on Tuesday? It was sunny on Tuesday. 오늘은 it's cloudy today. Number 2. It was on Friday. Ooh. It was breezy on Friday. What about today? It's rainy today. And number 3. It was rainy on Thursday. 오늘은 it's snowy today. Great job. Check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 60, the directions say to unscramble and write. We'll use the words in the box to help us unscramble. Number 1 is LALM. That's the word mall. Number 2. In number 2, we have a SOPALITH. Ugh. I'll give you a hint. It starts with an HO. In number 3, we have SUCRIC. I'll give you a hint. It starts with CI. Number 4, our word starts with LI. Number 5, our word starts with AI. And number 6, our word starts with AM. And the second word starts with PA. Number 7, our word starts with RE. And our last word in number 8 starts with MO. And the second word starts with TH. Fill in your answers and we'll check together. Are you ready to check? Number 2 should be hospital. Number 3, circus. Number 4, library. Number 5, airport. Number 6, amusement park. Number 7 is restaurant. And our last word is movie theater. Great job! In part B, the directions say to look and write. Number 1, the girl asks, Where were you yesterday? 너 어제 어디에 있었어? Her friend says, I was at the circus. In number 2, the boy says, Where were you yesterday? There's an airplane. He would say, I was at the airport. In number 3, the girl asks, Where were you yesterday? The boy would say, I was at the amusement park. And number 4, where were you yesterday? I was at the library. Check your spelling and let's keep going. On page 61, the directions say to write. Number 1, where was she at 10:30? We have 10:30 here. She was at the library. Where is she now? 지금은? She's at the restaurant. Number 2, where at 9? Where was he at 9? He was at school. Where now? 지금은? Where is he now? He's 영화 보고 있네. He's at the movie theater. Great. Number 3, where at 11:15? Where was she at 11:15? 이 친구는 식당에 있었다. She was at the restaurant. Where now? 지금은? Where is she now? 지금은 병원에 있다. She's at the hospital. 뭐 잘못 먹었나? Uh-oh. And number 4. Where at 2:30? Where was he at 2:30? Oh, these are the names of different places in America. 비행기도 있고 He was at the airport. Good. 지금은 Where is he now? He's at home. Great job. In part D, we need to read and check. Was he at the airport at 10? Is this an airport? No, he wasn't. Was she at the office at 12:30? No, she wasn't. 여기는 학교인 것 같은데. Number 3. Was she at the restaurant at 5:30? Yes, she was. Was he at the circus at 3:30? Yes, he was. Great job. Let's keep going. On page 62, you will do this page by yourself. You need to match and write. For example, in number 1, we see a picture of a snake. Which one is the word snake? Right here. Snake. So we'll connect it here and we'll connect it here. In part B, you're going to look and check. What is this a picture of? The sky. 혼자 할 수 있죠? 화이팅! Let's keep going. On our last page, we're going to read a story called A Snowy Weekend. The first picture says, Where were you yesterday, Skip? 이 친구 이름은 Skip이야. Skip says, I was at the park. In the second picture, it says, How was the weather? It was chilly in the morning. We saw skylarks in the sky. A skylark is the name of this bird. In number 3, it was snowy in the afternoon. We played with the snowflakes. And number 4, look at that snake. Did you touch it? No. Let's answer our questions in part D. Where was Skip yesterday? We find our answer in the first picture. He was at the park. Great. Number 2, what did Skip see in the sky? He saw skylarks. Remember, that's the name of the bird. And number 3, how was the weather in the afternoon? 오후의 날씨는 어땠지? It was snowy in the afternoon. Great. Check your answers and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!